Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to work on lesson 12. This lesson is really interesting. You're going to need your whiteboard and you're also going to need your linking cubes, just like we've used before. So here I have a picture of our linking cubes. You're going to need 5 of them today, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I have 5 linking cubes in front of me. Hopefully you have 5 linking cubes in front of you also. We're going to do some different things with these cubes. So first, we're going to go ahead and take 2 cubes. So go ahead and take 2 cubes and put them in your hand. And then we're going to push those 2 cubes together, just like that. So go ahead and make sure you have a little tower of 2 cubes. Now, I'm going to want you to add another cube. If you add another cube to the top of that, how many do you have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 cubes. Okay, smush them together just like this. Now we have a tower that's 1, 2, 3 cubes tall. What if we add another cube? Well, then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So go ahead and push them together. 4 cubes. Good job. Now I think you know what we're going to do next. Go ahead and add 1 more cube. Now you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. And we're going to push those together to make a tall 5 cube tower. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What if you take one of those cubes off? Then what would happen? Let's try it. Take one of the cubes off and put it away. Now you have 4, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, take another cube off. Now how many do you have? 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, take another cube off. Now how many do you have? 1, 2. Okay, now take another cube off. How many do you have? Yeah, you have 1. Now take another cube off. How many do you have? How many cubes are on my screen? How many cubes are in front of you? There are no cubes. And our number that stands for nothing is called 0. Now let's go ahead and try that on our fingers. Okay, we're going to count the math way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's go backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I have no fingers up, so that's 0. And look, it actually looks just like the number 0. That's pretty cool, huh? So 0, like your fist, is the number 0. That means there aren't any, okay? So we're going to practice writing our number 0 in our template. You are going to look at this number 0, and you're going to fill them in the boxes, and also fill them in over here on these lines. So you should have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros. So go ahead and pause this video and draw your zeros. Okay, if you finished up drawing your zeros, we can work on this page. Remember, you always put your name at the top of your paper. This problem set says, circle the number that tells you how many. Okay, we know how to do this. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So what number would I circle? You knew it, exactly. 3. Now what about over here? We have 1, 2. That's right, you said it, Carter, I heard you. We have 2. How many do we have right here? 1. Absolutely. So you go ahead and circle that 1, just like I know Serenity did, just like I know Phoenix did. What do we have over here? How many cubes do I have right here? Amira, do you know? Rajim, do you know? I don't have any, so I would circle the number 0, just like when I have 0 fingers. We're going to do the same thing for the trees. How many apples are over here? 0. Go ahead and circle your 0. And you know there's 1 apple here, so you circle 1. There are 2 apples here, so we circle 2. And there are 3 apples here, so we circle 3. Amazing. Now it says, how many elephants are in the trees? How many elephants do you see in the trees on your paper? You're right. It's 0. Go ahead and fill in your 0. Great job, everyone. As always, so proud of you. Bye, kindergarten.